Hello designers, welcome to my YouTube channel. For more tutorials, please push the subscribe button. Let's get started. Today, you will get to know how to create very simple, circular logo using Adobe Illustrator. Open a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Select Pen tool and draw a vertical line by holding Shift key. Now, press and hold Alt Shift and drag the line in front. Press Ctrl D to repeat the action. Repeat until you get 16 vertical lines. Select all lines. Right-click and group them together. Now, right-click, select Transform, Reflect. Select Angle 135 degrees and press Copy. Select all and press Ctrl G to group them together. Select Ellipse tool and draw a circle by holding Shift key. Select all and align center. Select Edit, Copy, and Paste in place. Now press and hold Shift plus Alt key and drag it down. Now, press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to paste in place. Repeat this again. Select all and use Shape Builder tool to draw the letter of your logo. I am drawing STD. Carefully draw it. If you make mistakes, don't worry, I also make mistakes. To go back to previous step, press Ctrl Z. Select all letters and drag them aside. Select all lines and delete. Now basic shape is ready. Take your time and play with color, stroke, to get your final version. That's it for today. Hit the like button and subscribe for more future tutorials.